Hello, children, welcome back. As every day we begin with the thought. The thought for the day is believe you can and you will, of course, never lose hope. You always can, whatever you wish to achieve. So, where we will pick from where we left in the last period. We have seen how the mother and the sister has driven Marukla out of the cottage and she wandered here and there. Finally, she saw a light at the top of mountain. She could see the 12 months and the great January. Decided to help Marokla and with the help of great January, let us see whether she could get the violets. So we have read up to page number 9. Let us pick up from page number 10, first paragraph. Please be ready with your textbooks as you will be reading from your textbooks only. Now pick them quickly, Marokla, commanded March. Marokla picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. So she was delighted, she was overwhelmed, she was overjoyed to get those violets, and she knew now she could enter the house. Scampering is a quick light run. Whenever we are very happy, we feel like moving very fast, we feel like running, and we are very eager to share the good news with the family members of our house. Merrily is happily. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marokla bringing the violets. They opened the door to her, and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. She was not at all expecting that Marokla will come back with those wonderful flowers, violets. So she was angry to see Marokla coming back, and the mother and the sister were really wondering because they never expected that Marokla could bring violets in the month of January. They are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains. Volina snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Snatching is taking something forcefully. जबरदस्ती ओढून घेतले हातातून सगळे. And Marokla did not even get a single flower. The next day, she called to her sister and said, Go, Marokla, and get me some strawberries from the forest. Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries? In this hard winter, said Marokla. How dare you agree? Go at once and get me the strawberries, or I will kill you. The stepmother caught hold of Marokla and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Marokla went to the forest weeping bitterly. The snow was laying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen everywhere. So, as soon as the demand for getting the violets was fulfilled, next day the demand was to get strawberries. As you can recollect, when do we get the strawberries? The best strawberries we can get in the month of June, and that period is the time of summer. Summer season is going on and you get plenty of fruits in that season. And we are talking about the season of the countries where they have totally different climatic condition. So please look at the part on page number 10 only. So again the same thing happened. Marokla was driven out of the cottage and the door was slammed. It was shut after her, and snow was laying deep. As I have told you earlier that when the snowfall just starts, the snowflakes are very soft. But then as the time proceeds, as the days pass on, this snow becomes harder and harder. And since the weather was such adverse, it was such a cold time that nobody visited the place of the forest. So there were obviously no footprints to be seen anywhere. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting round it. Poor girl, wandering here and there, looking for some help, and then she saw a ray of hope. She was overjoyed, very happy. Why? Because she could see the light again, and she moved towards the light, towards the fire. Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire. Great January nodded and asked her, Why have you come again? And what are you looking for here? Great January gave the permission that she could come near the fire and she could warm her hands. Again, she told her story. I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me. Bade is commanding something. Commanded, you can say. Bade me bring some strawberries, and if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them. Great January arose. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him. It was June, and handed the club to him, saying, Brother, take the high seat.